Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to plan a rollover IRA using Empower tools. Are you thinking of rolling over an old 401k into an IRA? Well, Empower can help you plan and track your progress. Let me show you exactly how. Now, the first point is why rollover. Now, a rollover IRA can give you more control over your investments and often lower fees, and can also consolidate scattered retirement accounts into one. Second point is using Empower's tools. Now in Empower, you're going to go to planning and then retirement planner, and there you can add a rollover IRA account and stimulate how moving your 401k into it is going to affect your retirement projections. Third point is account linking. Now you can link your current 401k, then set up a placeholder for your rollover IRA. This helps you to see how balances, fees, and potential growth are going to change after the move. The fourth and final point is advisory options. Now, if you choose to work with Empowered advisors, they can also manage your rollover IRA directly with personalized strategies, which of course is much better. A rollover IRA can simplify your retirement and save you money. Empower makes planning the transitions a whole lot easier. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.